Okay, and then part 4 gives us one of those coded kind of adjusted questions, where it says that they also record the number of hours that they spend, or that each member spends in the club. But they've taken 200 off every value before they've told us what they add up to. So the way I'd call this, I call it the fake mean. So the fake mean would be the mean of the numbers after they've taken these 200s off. So that would be 245 over 49, which comes to 5. Yeah. So if we want the real mean, we need to now add up or add back on the 200 that they took off every value. They've taken every value, taken 200 off every single value, and then I've now found the average. So I found the average 200 less than what they actually spent. They all spent an extra 200 hours, so that's going to increase the mean by 200 hours. To get the standard deviation, we have to remember that the standard deviation is going to be the same no matter where the numbers are, because the spread's the same. If the spread's this much with the 200 values taken off, it's going to be exactly the same over here when we add the 200 back on. The spread outness, if you like, is identical. So if we find the fake standard deviation, it will be identical to the fake mean. The real standard deviation. So let's find the fake standard deviation. And to do that, we're going to find the standard deviation the way we always do. So that's by taking the sum of the x squared values, but we're going to take the ones where they've taken 200 off all of them, divide it by how many numbers there are, and subtract the square of the mean. But we're going to need to use the fake mean. We're going to need to use the 5. And we're then going to square root it. So that's 176. If I square root that, we get 13.3. So that's the fake standard deviation, but as I said before, that's the real standard deviation as well. Because it doesn't matter that they've had a number taken off all of the numbers.